42 AI check.
Football are a middle name.
42 AI check. Take two. Hut.
Here at Blue 42 AI, restoration and football are our middle names. We try to do everything the best of abilities. Just like in football, in the NFL, you are the leading tackler, you're the leading wide receiver, the leading running back, and tackling rushing guards. That's why at our team, we're the leaders of everything.
We're gonna help you win in the restoration business. Tune in here to Blue 42 AI for the best news on AI for the restoration. For the restoration business. Learn about AI in the spirit of football. Stay tuned for the best news on AI for the restoration.